After struggling with many video editing software programs, I tried the heavy ones, the light ones, the closed source and the open source, and it didn't work for me. All I got was complicated interfaces, thousands of non-responding pop-ups, my memory got exhausted, and the free space on my disk almost disappeared. So I stopped making videos. I didn't want anything fancy, just a simple way to make simple videos. And that night, I had an idea. What if we could make videos, but with code instead? Is it even possible? So I started searching about it, and I found out that I was not the only one who had this idea. And the answer was yes, and I did. Every shape you see in this video, every color, every animation is made entirely by code. And specifically with TypeScript, using the Motion Canvas library. Let me show you how it works. In the makeScene2D function, add a reference to the shape that you want, then add it to the view and give it the properties that you want. And now you can animate it by the yield keyword and calling the reference function and defining the property that you want to change and the duration of the animation. And you can animate any property of the shape. And that's it. Now you can make any animation you want. And the only thing you need is creativity.